got friends in very high places. The social networking site Facebook has raised $500 million from the investment bank Goldman Sachs and from a Russian firm in a deal that puts the company's value at $50 billion. That would make it worth more than the retail giant Tesco, more than Boeing. And raising money privately means it will not have to reveal its balance sheet to market scrutiny. Well, more than 500 million people around the world are now on Facebook, so what will this new deal mean? Our technology correspondent Benjamin Cohen is here to explain. So why would a Wall Street bank be remotely interested in investing in this thing?
I should say that it's rumours that neither party have denied, so we're assuming that it's true. Look, it's pretty simple. A quarter of everyone online in the world has a profile just like me on Facebook. Half of everyone over the age of 13 in the UK has one. Putting things like photographs on there, but also it lists basically my entire social network. Everyone I know, all of my friends are there. There's my sister, there's my other sister. I can talk to them. I can arrange events, so my housewarming party on there. But I'm also doing much more than that. I'm talking about the things that I like. I'm talking about the products that I like to purchase, and that's valuable to companies. And I give all that data voluntarily to Facebook, and I can choose if I wish for Facebook to share that information with others, like retailers. And that's why Goldman Sachs is so interested in this company.
Well, if we go to my Facebook page, which is a brutally underused resource, I must say, I rarely ever go there more than once every 6 weeks, you will find that there's a photo of me. If you look, well, that looks like a photo of you, but nevertheless, a photo of me. That is me, a murky one to try and disguise who I am. And
I couldn't find you.
And then there are a few links to friends and the rest of it. How can that be worth anything at all?
Well, there's two reasons why Facebook's worth something. One is the technology behind it. The other thing is people, you and me. It's about us. So it's got a particular valuation of $50 billion. With 550 million users, that means each user is worth around £58. Now, clearly, we're not all worth the same. You don't share a lot of information on there, so you're probably not that valuable. But I, and there's probably hundreds of millions of people like me, update it the whole time, talking about the things that we like, and that information is...
And the things that you buy.
And the things that I buy. And so that information is incredibly valuable to advertisers and allows them to show advertising that's much more targeted to me than probably anything else on the internet.
So what would they want $500 million for anyway?
Well, Facebook is the undisputed social networking champion worldwide. But if we have a look at the map that I put on my Facebook page, all the countries in blue, Facebook's the #1, but there's some key places they're not. And they're looking particularly at Russia, China and Brazil. They want to expand their presence there, obviously negotiate with authorities in China and Russia, and they also want to start acquiring companies, we believe, who are making money on Facebook.
Well, how do we know that Facebook isn't just like Friends United or indeed MySpace, which we're here today, gone tomorrow, could be just a fad?
Well, I mean, Friends Reunited was interesting for a little bit, but it had nothing to keep people there. MySpace, did you ever join MySpace?
Well, no, but I wouldn't really willingly join
Facebook.
I think Twitter's king, anyway.
But neither would my grandparents. The fact is that everyone that I know is on Facebook. If something else came along, I'd have to convince all of my friends to go to that site, and they'd need to convince all of their friends to go to that site. So in a way, Facebook have a sort of monopoly over social networking, and they're the new kings of the new web, the social web. But with that comes a lot of responsibilities, something they're having to get used to.
Our technology correspondent, Benjamin Cohen, our economics editor, Faisal Islam, and I have both been blogging our different views on the value of Facebook on the Channel 4 News website at channel4.com/news.